Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin anymore. Today, it's revolutionizing industries, especially software development. In this video, we'll explore how blockchain's decentralized and secure nature is transforming data handling, supply chains, and security in software. Welcome to our deep dive into blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. Originally, blockchain was the backbone of Bitcoin, designed to enable secure and anonymous transactions. But today, its use cases are much broader. Blockchain is a decentralized and unchangeable ledger, storing information across many nodes or computers rather than one central database. This decentralized setup eliminates single points of failure, meaning that no one entity controls the data. This makes blockchain inherently resistant to tampering, making it attractive for software developers and businesses looking for secure solutions. One of the most impactful applications of blockchain in software development is the smart contract. Think of these as digital agreements that execute automatically when set conditions are met. Smart contracts remove the need for middlemen, ensuring that the contract executes exactly as coded. For example, a smart contract can automatically release payment upon delivery confirmation, or trigger license renewals once they expire. For developers, this means less manual work, as automation streamlines many of these workflows and improves efficiency. Supply chains involve a lot of steps, making them complex and susceptible to inefficiencies. Blockchain offers a transparent and tamper-proof way to record every step, from raw material sourcing to product delivery. Each movement is recorded on the ledger, which everyone in the chain can see. For example, companies like De Beers use blockchain to track diamonds, ensuring they're ethically sourced. This type of transparency can be applied to almost any industry, helping companies and consumers trust the supply chain. Data sharing between organizations is critical, but can also be risky. Centralized databases are vulnerable to breaches, often due to a single point of failure. Blockchain, however, enables secure and private data sharing. This means users control access to their information, and no one authority owns the data. Take identity management, for example. Blockchain allows individuals to secure their personal data without depending on third-party companies. A unique application of blockchain is DAOS, or decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs use blockchain to establish transparent and fair governance for project teams, enabling decisions and rewards based on contributions rather than seniority. In software development, DAOs allow for decentralized, peer-reviewed decision-making. This means no centralized authority, but rather a community-based approach to project management. Data breaches are increasing, making security a top priority in software. Blockchain's secure and immutable nature provides an extra layer of protection, where once data is stored, it can't be altered. Blockchain enhances privacy too. Users can control who sees their data, crucial for sectors like finance and healthcare where data privacy is critical. This control gives users confidence and keeps data safer. Blockchain's advantages come with challenges, particularly scalability and interoperability. Larger blockchain networks require more processing power, which can slow down transactions. Additionally, different blockchain systems often have trouble communicating with each other. These challenges need addressing for blockchain to reach its full potential, especially for global and cross-platform software applications. Blockchain's potential in software development is vast. From automating processes to securing sensitive data, it offers a fresh approach to creating more secure and transparent software systems. As blockchain continues to evolve, we can expect even more transformative applications. Blockchain is shaping the future, not just for cryptocurrency, but for secure, efficient software development. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into tech innovations. Thanks for watching.